Okay. Okay, it came out pretty good. That's decent. That's decent. Okay. Hey guys, so I am going on vacation soon. So I'm gonna do a little protective hairstyle. My sister's gonna help me part my hair really quick to do these like knotless braids or like jumbo box braids. I'm not doing knotless. I'm just gonna do like the rubber band method most likely because it's gonna be so much easier. But yeah, I'm gonna be using some random hair that I had in my drawers at home. So I kind of have like, actually these two are pretty much the same color, but one's ombre and one's like a full color. But then I also have black or like dark brown. So I think it'll look good once it's all mixed together. But she's gonna help me part my hair and then I'm gonna show you guys how I braid it. So I'm just detangling my hair. I actually washed it last night and I let it air dry and then I wrapped it up in a bun today. So it's kind of like in a stretched out state already, which is perfect for this style. So I'm just detangling it before we do the ponytail section. Okay, I have an edge fixer.
I have this.
What is that? We could probably use that. I'll just use this for like the front.
Okay.
Is that?
I mean, this is the
black gel. Yeah, I love that gel actually. Okay, so I'm so sorry. This is like not really the best angle or anything, but we're just gonna go with the flow. Okay. Do your thing.
You're too tall for it. Well, you're not tall, but you're too tall for
Go
me.
get one of those little stools.
Maybe.
Okay, these are all the ponytails. How many do I have? 9, right? Can you please scoot that out of my way?
There's 4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, I have 11
the lady said 11
ponytails, and I'm going to put actual rubber bands on them because they're just like in little ponytails, and add the hair. I've never done this before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it comes out good. Because this is my first time doing it, this isn't really a tutorial because I really am not exactly sure what I'm doing. I'll probably explain at the end how I did it, but I'm just gonna basically wing it. But also I do want to give a huge shout out to Twisted Pretty by Yaliana. I'm pretty sure that's how you say her name, and she has like a whole braiding channel, and this is her channel here. Me and my sister used her video to help us part my hair, and it was super helpful. She explained everything like perfectly. Let me see what the video was. Oh, it was this one. Easy way to part. Really helpful video. I'll link it down below, and also she has a bunch of other braiding tutorials and different hairstyles on her channel, so shout out to her. Go watch her videos, subscribe to her channel and everything because it was actually very helpful. But let's get into this hair. But because I do have different colored hair, I don't know what color I should do Or maybe I'll like try to mix them, but they're different, like they're all from different brands, so they're all stretched out or pre-stretched braiding hair, but I don't know if like the texture is different. And also I freaking forgot my rollers, my little rods to curl the ends of my hair, so we'll see how we do that. But anyway, let me stop talking and just get into it, because like I said, it's late and I got a flight to catch. Okay guys, so I feel like I pretty much have the hang of it. I only have these 4 at the top of my head left. Everything else is done, except I forgot my rods, so they look like this, which I found out that I'm actually leaving later than I thought. My flight is later in the day than I thought, so I'm going to run to Walmart in the morning and find the little flexi rods so that I can curl the bottoms of these, because they look really dumb right now. I did leave some of my natural hair out, so I have some of like my dark brown curl, and then I'm gonna curl the light brown part. So hopefully it all looks good. And I don't know how I feel about the color though, because most of like the knotted areas are the light brown color, so I don't know. I almost wish I would have just used all of the dark brown, like my natural hair color because I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm literally not redoing any of them, so it is what it is. But I'm going to show you guys how I do the last 4. All right, so I'm going to start with this one and just tie up the rest of these. And I'm going to just, so I did watch a few quick videos on how people were doing these little box braids, but I didn't really find anybody who had like long hair, like usually it was shorter hair or whatever, so it was kind of hard for me to figure out how to braid my hair into it. And I'm just going in first with my edge control. This is from Kiss. It's the Argan and Macadamian Edge Fixer. It smells so good. It's a maximum hold and non-flaky, and it is like super thick and tacky. So I just put a little bit of that on my natural hair to kind of, I don't know, glue it together basically. And I already have my hair sectioned out on this bench that I'm sitting on, so I mixed this lighter brown color with the ombre color, so that is how I'm getting these like highlighted effects. But yeah, I'm gonna try to mix it so that the light brown color is not on the knotted portion, because I think that looks kind of funny. So I'm gonna be placing this portion on top of my ponytail, and then I'm just gonna use my natural hair and the 2 pieces of braiding hair to form the 3 pieces of the braid. So I'm gonna grab my natural hair and then just braid normally, and making sure to make this first few like intertwined sections super tight so that this stays in place. Okay, so I made sure the rubber band was completely covered, and I'm just pulling this super tight so that that area stays in place. And I did a way better job of not putting that lighter brown hair color at the root right here, so I think that looks really good. Now I'm just going to continue braiding the rest of the hair. And as I continue braiding down, I loosen up the braid a little bit, because if it's too tight, it looks like really scrunched. And I guess if you're wearing these braids for a long time, you might want to do it really tight at first, but I'm only going to be wearing them for a few days, and I don't want them to look super tight. Guys, so I woke up and I went to Walmart and I bought a pack of these little rollers. This whole pack was actually $8 or like $9, and it has 48 pieces in it. So I'm using the 2 smallest sizes to wrap the ends of my hair so that I can hopefully boil them or dip them in boiling hot water and they curl. And as you guys can see, I do have some of like my natural hair sticking out, so I'm a little bit nervous about how that's gonna affect my hair if I stick my natural hair in the boiling hot water. I'm sure I probably shouldn't do that, but I didn't really think about that. But anyway, I'm gonna continue wrapping these. I'm actually kind of running out of time. I'm a little bit in a rush, but this is pretty easy, so hopefully I can finish fast. I'm almost done with this side. I just gotta finish this side. And I have the water boiling downstairs, so hopefully by the time I'm done with my head, it'll be good to go. Okay, instead of trying to bring the boiling hot water upstairs, I figured I would do the smart thing and bring my camera to the kitchen. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay, water's been boiling. I'm gonna pour it in this bowl here and see how this turns out. And then I'm just gonna stick these in here. I really am scared for my natural hair right now. And I also don't know how long I should stick them in. Okay, I'm about to do it once more because I really don't know how long I should keep them in for the curl to stay. So we'll see. Okay, I am literally sweating. That was like a freaking facial, but I think that's good. They're all soaked, which I feel like should be good enough. They're all still kind of hot, so I'm just going to keep them wrapped in the rollers for a little bit while I finish getting ready, and we'll see the moment of truth when I take these things out. Okay, you guys, so I am going to take these off and see what they look like. They're still kind of wet. I feel like I should probably let them dry all the way, but my ride is on its way. Okay, it came out pretty good. That's decent. That's decent. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Oh, yay! I just gotta curl my actual hair. Let's see. Okay, they could be better. I'm a little nervous for these bigger ones because I feel like the curl might not look as nice. That's not bad. But I wonder if they will like unravel. This one looks dry as hell. first time and I didn't have a lot of time to like let them set. They look all right. They definitely look better than the straight hair that it was looking like earlier. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video because I have a flight to catch. My ride is literally on the way. I have 10 minutes, so I have to finish packing and be ready when they get here. But definitely stay tuned for some vacation vlogs coming up so you guys can see where I'm going. This is actually my birthday vacation. My birthday is in 3 days. It's Wednesday. My birthday's on Sunday, so 4 days, 3 days, I don't know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.